Did you know that an entertainment tool like YouTube can be a great resource for all your parenting related questions? With videos about all imaginable topics from how to change a diaper to how can I help my child get over stage fright, YouTube has unconsciously replaced the wisdom passed down from our elders. We have put together a list of our favorite YouTube channels for kids and new parents. And yes, you can find expert solutions in various subjects including nutrition, arts and crafts, music as well as education. Smart Parenting. This YouTube channel is a treasure trove for information about baby health, baby care, mom's well-being, fun crafts, nutritious recipes for toddlers and more. Smart Parenting started off as a parents' magazine and is now one of the most preferred educational channels for new parents. DrawSoCute. This YouTube channel is a popular go-to for anyone interested in art. It offers easy tutorials and learning experience for kids, teens as well as adults. Videos that teach children how to doodle just about anything, from cute bugs to pop cultural characters. Simple Kids Crafts. This YouTube channel shares ideas so creative that it is easily one of the most watched kids' educational videos for new parents. The channel attempts to normalize recycling as facilitators make easy crafts from everyday wastes like bottle caps and cardboard boxes. Keep kids engaged and to explore their creative side. BBC Earth. If nature and animals is what they love, then BBC Earth is the channel to tune into. From wild bloody battles to adorable baby penguins taking their first swim, there is no better introduction to nature and the world outside. Super Simple Songs. All your favorite nursery rhymes are now made into adorable animated videos and you just can't stop at one. This channel is a one-stop destination for educational shows, original music, and the cutest animation kids simply won't get enough of. Indian YouTuber Marsha. This channel is a gem for Indian parents, created by mother of two, Marsha Daya. This channel covers a wide variety of subjects including daily routines, product reviews, home organization, baby skincare, tips and tricks for new moms in a relatable fashion. Nerdy Nummies. If you share your love for cooking and baking with your kid, this channel can very well become a bonding ritual for you. Host Rosanna Panzino posts videos weekly where she and a guest bake up a storm with cakes, cookies, cupcakes and other confectionaries. Just the tool you need to introduce them to one of life's necessary skills. TED. TED is an amazing resource for young thinkers and science buffs. Unlike the parent wing, TED shares knowledge in the form of beautiful animated videos, riddles and tutorials. Subjects like what's so great about the Great Lakes? How high can you count on your fingers? And why doesn't anything stick to Teflon? Are just the tip of the iceberg. Marsha and the Bear. How does a little girl navigate in this big bad world? Marsha and the Bear is an endearing channel that takes you on an adventure where Marsha and her friend meet people, get curious and explore the world. If you've been looking to introduce your child to quality TV time, this should definitely be on your list. 6 Science. This channel is an educational repository for practical applications of scientific theories in a way that even a child can learn from it. The host, Steve Spangler, is a celebrity teacher, science toy designer, speaker, and an author. He is best known for his Mentos and Diet Coke Geezer experiment that went viral. He takes children on an exploratory journey through experiments, toys, and demonstrations. Technology has enabled us to make learning boundless. By tuning into the right channels, you can make your child's TV viewing habit into a wondrous experience. Which one of these channels are your favorite?